Hello, I'm Jagan from Grow with Data. Welcome to the Crack SQL Interview 50 question series. In this video series, we'll practice 50 SQL questions across various topics. You can use the playlist Crack SQL Interview 50 questions to follow the videos later to this series. For each video in the series, you can find the related code on my GitHub. Feel free to explore the code and provide any feedback in the comment section. Now let's dive into the 48th video of the series and we continue with the question related to the topic advanced string function. Let's see the data and we can talk about the question in detail. We are given the table activities. Let's create the table. So this activities table got product name and the date it got sold. So we are asked to write a solution to find for each date, get the number of distinct products sold and their name in one row. The sold product name for each date should be sorted lexicographically, preferably reverse order. Return the result table ordered by sell date. So for every date, we have to get the number of distinct products sold and get all the products name in lexicographically descending order and in one row. So how to do that? Let's start with our basic SQL. First, we find the sell date and how many distinct products sold. We say select sell date and then you can say count of product as number sold from activities table. Since we use aggregation, we say group by 1. So for every date, we get the number of products, but they asked for distinct products. So for 6-2, we got 2, but it's supposed to be 1 because only mask is the only product sold. So instead of saying count of product, we say count of distinct product. So we got the number of products sold. Now, how to get the product name in one row? For that, we are going to introduce a new function called group concat. So this is for MySQL. For Snowflake, it's array aggregate, I think. For Hive, it might be different, right? Even Hive, it's something like array aggregate or something like that. So every database will have a different function. So you make sure what is the function for the database you use for. Since we use MySQL, I use group concat. And the column we have to use is product as products. When I run this, I get all the product names, but still we have the distinct issue. It's duplicated, right? So we just say group concat distinct of product. So we got the distinct of product. The second one is it has to be ordered lexicographically, but in the reverse, that means descending order. So we include the order by product, and by default is ascending order. We are going to make it as a descending order. Okay. Now if I run it, it came with a reverse order. That's great. The third part is the separator should be a colon. By default, it's comma. So how will I do that? I can just include the separator. Separator as colon. So now I got all the three conditions. I got the number sold as distinct products and the product names are distinct. It's in reverse order and then the separator is a semicolon. The only key thing is I have to know which function to use on which database. Great. Now, if you want to see this code, then you go with data YouTube channel, playlist. This is going to be in the Crack SQL Interview 50 questions. The Tamil version will be in Tamil Crack SQL Interview 50 questions. If you go to that playlist, in the description part, you'll have the GitHub link. In the GitHub link, it will take you to the code base and you have to go to the 49th video, 48th. Let me save it so you can see the data. So we can go to the 48th file where you have the create statement, the rough version of it, then we include the sorting and then we include the separator, and we got the result. If you want to join the WhatsApp channel, there's a link here. You can use this and join the growth data WhatsApp channel. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.